Top 10 handsome Korean actors who are already dads in real life. 1. Song Joong Ki. This illustrious actor stole hearts around the world with his amazing acting as Captain Yo Sejin in the superhit drama Descendants of the Sunday. Song Joong Ki was also seen doing a suave Italian-Korean lawyer with a taste for justice in Vincenzo. With that winning smile and incredible acting talent, surely he would be considered among the few most loved actors in Korea. Well, guess what? Song Joong Ki is now a father. Married a few months ago to Katie Louise Saunders, Song Joong Ki and Katie have a new family member, a baby, which makes the fans ecstatic. It is so exciting to interview Song Joong Ki about fatherhood, where he calls it a whole new chapter. He seems so excited. Their children are in Rome, Italy. Song Joong Ki mostly travels back and forth there. Furthermore, they were spotted strolling with their newborn at the park. He had remained busy in his career and so now would be with his family too. That's so exciting for the fans to see him balancing being a super dad and a superstar. To Hyun Bin. Hyun Bin, from Crash Landing on You, surely stole away everyone's heart with his electrifying chemistry with his co-star, Sun Ye Jin. Their love story has been one of the most heartwarming and loved by everyone because of their genuine attraction to one another. Hyun Bin, the heartthrob of K-dramas, so much that he turned out to be a global star with popular series like Crash Landing on You and Secret Garden, and has captivated audiences with his works on screen as well, with films such as The Negotiation and Confidential Assignment. In 2022, Hyun Bin married actress Sun Yejin, the fairytale marriage of all time in K-drama. Recently, he became a father, as he had his first baby, and fans absolutely enjoyed this charming actor taking so much love and joy in being a father. From saving lives on screen, Hyun Bin can be seen caring for his baby off screen. He totally melts our hearts. 3. Soji Sub. He is one of the most loved actors in Korea, especially for his awesome dramas such as I'm Sorry, I Love You, Master's Son, and Oh My Venus, and also feature in films like Rough Cut and The Battles Without Honor and Humanity. True love for fans worldwide comes really from the acting skills of So Ji-sub. But what's even more special is his role as a father. So Ji-sub is a new dad, and fans couldn't be gladder for him starting this new chapter in his life. He has always said that being a dad is the best role he will ever play, and he is so proud of his child. Seeing this tough, strong man become such a gentle, loving father is truly heartwarming. So Jisub proves that even superstars are just like us when it comes to family. 4. Choi Tae-joon. Honestly, actor Choi Tae-joon is blessed to have Park Shin-hye as his wife. Their adorable son and Choi Tae-joon's recent confession about their marriage life made everyone's heart swell up with affection. He revealed that, just like any other couple, they spend time with each other, cook meals at home, or enjoy a heartfelt meal together. Like a doting husband, Choi Tae-joon would wait for Shin-hye. In fact, he watched the Jugde from Hell by heart. Their encounter was sweet, which might give you cavities. Chung-Ang University, they crossed paths as seniors and juniors. From there in 2012, they did a cameo together as the ironic couple in the drama, The King of Dramas. Many Korean media outlets started to spot them together in several dating areas, which they playfully tried to dodge, stating nothing was going on, and just like that the cat got out of the bag in 2018, when they finally confirmed that they were indeed dating and moving forward with the goal of marriage. In 2022, they tied the knot. It was a grand one. Many close friends and family members were invited. The double surprise was that Park Shin-hye was also expecting at the same time. This made everyone happy. By May, she gave birth to a beautiful, healthy boy. In 2023, they went to Hawaii to celebrate their first anniversary. Since then, they have been just going strong. More years ahead of them. 5. Cha Tae-hyun. Most likely, you are familiar with him from the beloved romantic comedy My Sassy Girl or from hilarious films like Speed Scandal and Hello Ghost. Because of his humorous and grounded nature, Cha Tae-hyun is adored and a fantastic father. He has 3 children and often shares humorous tales of his experiences as a father. He once made a joke about how his children are his toughest critics. He manages to find time for his family despite his hectic schedule. Being a father is Cha Tae-hyun's favorite role, as he said. 6. Ji-sug. Ji-sug is one of the most versatile and brilliant actors in the field of Korean drama. He might ring a bell to your ears with unforgettable series Kill Me Heal Me, in which he performed the role of 7 different personalities so brilliantly, or as a compassionate doctor in Dr. John. His performance in Innocent Defendant is also way too amazing, with a performance that has so much emotion as well as suspense in it. In reality, Ji-sug is also a great dad. He is a father of 2 cute kids with actress Lee Bo-young. Ji-sug shares how fatherhood has brought him great joy and the way it has been a change in perspective toward life itself. He loves spending time, playing, or teaching life lessons with his kids. Isn't that a pretty sweet sight of this talented star? 8. Won Bin. Won Bin, one of Korea's most mysterious and beloved heroes. He is best known for his intense and tough roles in Autumn in My Heart and The Man from Nowhere. He became popular after portraying deep and emotional role in The Man from Nowhere. Although he hasn't been acting much these days, his fans still love him. Won Bin has spent the last few years living quietly as a family man and raising a son. He is not really the kind of person who shares his life with the world, but when he became a dad, he created a buzz among fans. Even though he is not in the limelight, being a father is now his most important role. 9. Jung Kyung-ho. This young fellow actor has acted in many dramas, but some of his biggest hits include Hospital Playlist, Life on Mars, and The Next Door. In all those dramas, he is loved for his fun and charming personality. He constantly makes us laugh, yet at times shows his gentle side, and it is evident that he is a great father in real life. This wonderful actor has an excellent relationship with his daughter, and according to him, fatherhood has made him more considerate and down-to-earth in addition to adding to his busy life. The way he speaks about family touches the hearts of so many fans. He actually loves spending quality time with his little one, and he is quite a role model both on and off screen. However, it is quite obvious that his best role of all is being a loving dad. 10. Lee Dong-gun. He is known to steal hearts with his performances in popular dramas like Lovers in Paris, Marry Him If You Dare, and Angel's Last Mission, Love. Lee Dong-gun has always been admired for versatility, as having portrayed roles ranging from a romantic hero to a tough businessman. And guess what? He's a doting parent to a daughter, whom he loves more than anything in the world. Fans admire his fatherly figure as he relates to the value this fatherhood has added to his life. He learned new ways to being patient and loving. So, one can't help but be warm at the knowledge that this talented actor turns out to be even greater in real life. 11. Park Hae-jin. Park Hae-jin is most renowned for his profound, emotive charms. Dramas of this actor include Cheese in the Trap, Man to Man, and Doctor Stranger. The serious and secretive guy he often portrays does not do justice to his real self, which is that of a dad with a tender heart. He said once that fatherhood has made him stronger and more focused. Most of the times, Park Hae-jin is busy spending time with his children, giving an insight into how much he is influenced by them. Isn't it amazing to see his warm and loving side off screen? Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel ****.